going to exit 40, I think. No. Yeah, Huntington. 40. 4.2 miles from here. So we can beat it. I think the speed limit here is 55. After Amityville is Deer Park. I now remember. Because I used to work for Home Depot in Deer Park. I was a contractor for Home Depot.
But that's his business?
Huh?
That's his business? Where he work at?
Who?
The dude that house where we going to.
I don't know. No.
He said he work at Mavis.
Yeah, but
tire shop.
But it can't be this Mavis because he said he was 5 minutes away.
Oh.
But it could be because look, we get there in 15 minutes, in 14 minutes. So it could be here.
Okay.
I was going to buy a Bronco before I pick up my Jeep.
Oh, I heard that those was good though, but they it's good for, but you gotta, what you want it for?
Fun. Drive around. Just like the Jeep.
Well, y'all was at the same plateau. At the same.
Nah. I saw a guy.
But the Wrangler, I feel, is better than the Bronco.
Okay. I saw a guy with one, right? And I asked him. I had the 2015 Jeep with me, right? So I pull up alongside him and I said, so I was asking him about that before I get rid of the Wrangler, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I was asking him about the Bronco. He said it is rougher than the Wrangler. So I thought of it. And when I checked the price, I saw the Bronco was too much money for the features as to compare a Wrangler
with the
features. And if I upgrade my Wrangler, much more better than the Bronco. Yeah. That is why I went with my Wrangler. Alright?
Nice choice.
Yeah. Hardest sleep last night. Hardest sleep last night.
Me neither.
I don't know. My heat was good.
Seen that? Seen that?
What?
Seen what he did?
What you did?
That car that just went over there? Wait, could you do that?
What you did? Just cut across like that?
Yeah, is that a...
Yeah.
You could?
You could make a left there, yeah.
Oh. I thought I was tripping.
Here, look.
Oh, I ain't see it because the overpath and all of that.
Remember the last time we coming back from Long Island? you all on the GPS, telling me to go the opposite direction,
Oh
telling
yeah.
me to go further in Long Island. That was crazy. I'm gonna get over to the inside lane because I'm gonna exit in a few. So we're in Farmingdale.
Watch out.
Right now.
He coming up fast on this side.
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
In 2 miles, take exit 40 toward New York 231, Babylon.
40, that's right.
See, now that you got my Jeep, my dream Jeep that I wanted,
Yeah.
I want me a rafter now.
A what?
A rafter. That was my dream Jeep that you got.
Yeah, so you
The
don't.
four-door one? Nah,
So
I
you
don't want that no more. You got it already. You live in my dream. So, so I had to move. I want me a rafter now.
So you're going forward.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
So, but I ain't know the rafter was like $100,000. I'm like, yo, what? Nah. And then the parts for it, oh, that nothing better not go wrong with it. So, yeah.
I love this truck.
This one or the truck
This
that
one
you
I
got?
have here right now.
Oh, that one?
I love it. It's so comfortable.
Mine.
Nice, soft.
See, you should never went to go work for the old people. You was chilling with the door open, catching the air like that. Yo, open that door over there. He was like this. You got with the old people, you got the old people van now.
So I shouldn't be doing that.
Huh?
So I shouldn't be doing that.
Take exit 40.
Nah, I'm just saying, like,
Sunrise Highway South
you got the
Service
old people, you know what I mean? Like all the vans is shaped like this.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? You got the old people van now. Come on, man. Cause you worked at that place.
So I'm making a.
Sure.
Where do I go from here?
Continue on Sunrise Highway South Service Road for half a mile.
Right. And then I'm making a 231.
Don't it split to a Y over here somewhere?
No. I don't know. I don't remember. Last time I've been here was in the summer. Uh-oh. I think I got it. Yes.
Go past Common Street.
I'm going
Use
north.
The right lane to take the
231 north, I now
north
remember.
ramp to Huntington.
231 north. I'm going to be coming back. Remember, we did 231 south. That was the mistake we made the last time.
Oh.
We're going north, we're coming back south.
South.
That is why the last time it takes so long.
Use the right lane to take the New York 231 north ramp. Continue on New York 231 north for 2 miles.
This is Deer Park. And our warehouse many years ago, about 25 years ago, our warehouse was in Cobank Road, Deer Park, where we go and pick up cabinets to go and install. You were nowhere around then. Where were you then?
Where? What year?
25 years ago.
Wow.
On the street.
Yeah, or probably just getting out. Or something like that.
How long you got out?
I don't know. You said 25, 20 years, man. Listen.
You got out 15 years ago.
15 years ago?
Because you came to work with me as soon as you got out.
I don't go by years no more. After you reach a certain age, you don't even think about years. Well, that's how it is for me. And especially when my pops died, I was like, yo, what?
Yeah.
I ain't care about none, no years, no nothing. I ain't even care about the time of day. So,
You don't care about life.
yeah, that's how it was going. Then I said, nah, I can't do that. I still got life on this planet.
So this
Got
is
kids.
Long Island. We are in Deer Park. All right? And I'm happy that you stay with me all the way through on this ride
Keep on.
and listen to my coolie boy next to me here and EBS
Yo.
right through. But it's okay. He keep me going, keep the entertainment going. And I know you wanted to see a little bit of Long Island drive by. And that is what I'm doing, basically. So I would like you to give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe to Country Boy in town, and share it with someone who may have a home improvement project or may want to see a little bit of New York, or just to viewing sake. Alright? So, thank you for watching. And I'm about to reach where I'm going in
Go
2
past
minutes.
Weeks Road and take a slight right onto Comac Road.
And take my number in case you want to call me up for your home improvement project. Like I said, I may not be able to do it like with my own hands. I only do emergency for my existing customer. So if you have a project, what I do is set it up, manage it, and make sure it's done right. Make sure if you have to get a permit, I get you the permit, I get you the right skill set group of guys, because trust me, I know them. Been around for a while, and I know some of them who can take your money and just go away, and I know some of them who are gonna stay to the finish. Alright, so call me up. So we are on Comac Road,
Take a slight right onto Comac Road.
and this is gonna take us into Simmons Avenue.
That's the wire I was talking about.
This is the wire we're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going back, we're going the same way. I remember
South.
south. We're looking for south 231. 231 south.
231 South.
So we didn't get lost like the last time. Alright. Nice neighborhood. This is Deer Park, Long Island.
Mm-hmm.
For those of you who want to know where I'm at, I'm in Deer Park, Long Island. Miles an hour here? What?
Type fast.
That's a lot of speed for this.
Yeah, that's type fast.
Sure, yeah.
Go past this light and take your next right onto Sammy's Avenue.
So I should be taking a right here. No, not this one. This is Tel Aviv. I'm going to
Turn
Salmon
right onto
Avenue.
Sammy's Avenue. Then your destination will be on the right.
Okay, Sammy's here we come. And my YouTube watcher, thank you for watching. And thank you for keeping my company. We did it. We made it. We arrived on my scheduled time.
Your destination is on the right.
Bye now. Until my next video, stay in touch.